Here we have a 2019 19-plate Mercedes-Benz A35 AMG in denim blue. Now with this vehicle you get 4 superb, unscratched, unmarked 19-inch alloy wheels in satin black with the chrome strip around the edge. We have the LED headlights, we have the black mesh front grille with the chrome and brushed metal badging. We have the black front splitter and also the canards on the front bumper. Panoramic sunroof, which is currently open. We also have the blacked out night pack styling, so you do get your black wing mirrors, black privacy glass on the rear of your black window trim, rear spoiler. Rear does make this car stand out from the rest, and this colour rear does pop in the sunlight. We do have dual exhaust flush with rear bumper and also the rear diffuser, A35 and AMG badging on the rear. Going to the rear, looking in the back, you do have a nice spacious size boot for the size of this vehicle. Not popping that back down, and there's a quick look at the spoiler. Now this vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches, and rear does look superb from every angle. Go to the rear, I'll show you bits of the interior. Now as you can see, we do have the full leather seats throughout with the ISOFIX points. We do have the half black and half grey with the white stitching. Pull down armrests in the centre with 2 nice sized cup holders. You also get the storage nets behind the passenger and the driver's seat. On the doors you get your electric windows and your integrated premium Burmester sound system, again with the half black and half grey leather. There's a quick look at the driver's fully heated electric and memory front seat with the extended thigh support. Very comfortable seat indeed. Electric windows, electric power folding mirrors, heated electric and memory function just there. Ambient lighting up there as well. You also your integrated premium Burmester sound system. Jumping in the car and looking just down there, you have your auto lights. Now I have left the vehicle running as it does come with a ghost immobiliser, just to save me popping the code in. As you can see, it is free from any warning lights on the dashboard and it's covered just over 19,180 miles. We have a multifunction steering wheel with pinstripe just in the centre to let you know the car is going straight. We have your cruise control just over here. We have your touchpads on either side, one on the right side controls the screen just in the centre of the instrument cluster, and one left hand side controls the screen in the centre. Paddle shift if we wish to take the car into manual mode just there as well. We also have the heads up display as you can see just there. Now being the digital dash, you can customise the look of the screen. So if we go to styles and displays, we have your sport, which is currently selected. Go to classic, you can see it changes the look. Go back, we have super sport, which is a very cool looking futuristic design. And then the last one is understated, so click on that one and as you can see, a very simplistic looking screen there. Pop it back into sports, that's my preferred choice. Now you can change the dials as well, so if I start with the left hand side, you can see the different dials just there. It's entirely up to your preferences which one you have. I'm going to pop it back in the standard one. Go to the right hand side dial and you scroll through, you can see all the different settings and screens that you can have on there. You can also have your maps, very cool function to have. Now you can also turn the screen into that very cool looking screen just there as well. So it's a very customizable screen indeed. Now the screen in the centre is also touchscreen. Now I'm going to close the panoramic sunroof just so it's a bit easier to see the screen. Touch your button, it then closes, and I'll show you the full process of it closing so you know it works exactly how you would expect it to. Pull it down again, it goes off tilt. Pull it down again, and then the blinds will then also close, and as you can see, works exactly how you would expect it to. Now back to the screen. Now it is a touch screen, so you can press up home as well. So you do have your satellite navigation as well as your DAB, FM and AM radio. You also have your Bluetooth connectivity and also USB. Now it's a USB-C connection. Now you do also have your Bluetooth phone connectivity where you can have your phone and messages there as well. Going to the home screen, you can see all these different settings just here. On comfort, you can go to seat kinetics, and you can also go to your ambient lighting where you can change the colours of the lighting. A lot easier to see when the vehicle, when it's dark, not so easy to see when it's light, but you do have a wide range of colours to choose from. You can choose there, you can have multicolours, you can go through all these different settings. It's entirely up to your preferences. Go back home, you have your AMG performance, so you have your dynamic select vehicle engine consumption. You also have Mercedes Me and app, so you can go through and browse there. Now if I pop the car into reverse, you can see we do have, when that goes off, the rear reversing camera with your front and rear parking sensors. Do get different drive modes, so as you can see we do have a slippery, individual, comfort, sport, and also sports plus. Lots of different features to have. Now in the dials, you can see just there, it is currently glowing blue. Now if I turn the heating up, it'll then glow red. Very nice addition to have, and you can see the blue ambient lighting around there. Now that's it for the screen. Lots of different features to have on there. A very nice entertainment screen indeed. Coming down here, dual zone climate control works exactly how you'd expect it to. You can see just there, it's at 17.5, and then you can see the right hand side 17. We have ice cold aircon there as well. Gloss black trim all in the centre. We have your storage just down there, USB-C ports, and 2 nice size cup holders just there as well. This is what you use to control everything that happens on your screen if you're not using the touchscreen function. You have your drive mode, select parking sensor, parking camera, your shortcuts to your vehicle settings, and you can also set the star up there as well. Your volume, navi, map, radio, media, and telephone. You pop the car into manual mode by pressing that button just there. You can see it just up there. So you use the paddle shift. You also have traction control on and off. You also have your suspension settings where you can have it in Sports Plus, Comfort, and also Sport. Very nice addition to have. You really can tell the difference when it is in Comfort, Sports, and Sports Plus. Soft touch leather armrest with storage just underneath as well. Do also get the USB-C ports in there as well. And there's a look at the passengers. Full leather front seat, again half grey and half black with your white stitching. Heated seats work exactly how you would expect it to, as you can see on both sides, and again all the electric memory front seats work exactly how you would expect them to. Now this vehicle is available to take away today with free contactless nationwide next day delivery. This HPI Clear comes with fresh service, and we do offer competitive low finance. Thank you very much for watching. Video test drive of this Mercedes-Benz A35 AMG Premium Plus. Now the purpose of this video test drive today is to show that the vehicle drives exactly how you would expect it to. Now as you can see, I'm not as far with steering, let's keep it on the straight line, it's going straight and true, not veering off to the left or to the right hand side, as you can see from the pinch stripe in the centre. Now we do have a multi-function steering wheel with cruise control and speed limiter, and we also have paddle shift on the rear if you wish to take the car into manual mode. Now this vehicle does come with lane keeping assist, which you can turn on and off, and it is active. Now we do have the very, very comfortable full leather seats throughout this vehicle. 2 front seats are heated, electric, and memory. Then you just get the leather seats in the rear, and you do also get ISOFIX points. Very, very comfortable seats indeed. You can quite easily do 2, 3, even 400 miles in this vehicle and still get out feeling fresh. Now to activate the cruise control, simply just push up on the dial, and it'll go to the nearest miles an hour. Push up very slightly, it'll go up by 1, and push up until feel a bit of a click, and it'll go to the nearest 5 miles an hour. Now the roundabout, I'm going to take a left as you would if you're test driving this vehicle today. I'm going to take over the paddle shift. So currently I am in 4th gear, as it tells me on the heads-up display. Just gone up to 5th, so I'm going to drop it down to 4th, into 3rd, back into 4th, into 5th. Now when you put it into manual mode on the heads-up display, it gives you a rev gauge, and it tells you when to change your gears so you get to the most performance out of your vehicle. Now to pop it back into automatic mode, simply just wait or push down on the gear selector, and it'll go back into normal driving automatic mode. Now when you pop it into cruise control, it comes up on the screen in front of you where it tells you the speed, and it also comes up on the heads-up display. Now on the heads-up display, it gives you your revs, your gear, your speed, and also gives you the speed of the road that you're currently driving on. Very nice addition to have. Now we do have the screen just in the centre as well, which is fully touchscreen, fully customizable instrument cluster, so you can put it to whatever you like. Now we do have the screen in the centre. We have Bluetooth radio, Bluetooth audio, connectivity, satellite navigation, rear reversing camera, front and rear parking sensors, your different drive mode select. You have lots of other different functions in there. We can also change your ambient lighting. The possibilities are endless. You have your dual zone climate control with your ice cold aircon, so hot days like today does make all the difference. You have your premium integrated Burmester sound system, which does sound absolutely incredible, especially when you're blasting those tunes in the summer. It really does sound very, very good. So right now I'm coming up to the industrial state where I'm going to take a right, I'm going to perform and then just stop and pop it straight into reverse, just to show you that the brakes work exactly how you would expect them to. And you'll see pop up on the centre screen the rear reversing camera. So pulling in just now, and I'll do the emergency stop in 3, 2, 1. Hard onto the brakes, straight into reverse, no issues whatsoever. Back into drive, again, no issues whatsoever. Now this vehicle does come with the active dampening suspension, so you really can tell when you put it into the different modes. So the modes you do get are Comfort, Sport and Sports Plus. Now when you're in Comfort, it is a very, very smooth ride. Then when you pop it into Sports and Sports Plus, you can definitely tell that the ride is a lot firmer, and it is a lot more glued around the corners. Now it is a very, very nice driving car. No wanted knocks or bangs, which you probably were listening for in the video. And there's no unwanted knocks, bangs, crunches in the gearbox, and when going over potholes or bumps in the road, again, there's no unwanted noises. Now, if you're test driving it, now this vehicle is available to take away today. So if you need any more if you have any more questions or inquiries, please feel free to get in contact with the sales team, where they can answer any of them. But that's it for me in this What I'm Ready test drive. Hope to hear from you soon. Cheers.